What we've got in terms of this installation is a fantastic educational tool for integrated water management. This installation covers both sides of the fence, if you like, both metaphorically and physically. On this side of the fence, we've got the conventional landscape. On this side of the fence, we've got integrated water management landscape. So we can make some comparisons and really understand what integrated water management is all about. Now, in terms of the conventional landscape, what we see is stormwater drains and some plantings in pots, concreted, paved areas, lawn, etc. So we've had to intervene because what we've found is that as a consequence of how we've gone about our landscaping, we've created more runoff. So we need to remove that runoff via stormwater drains. And we need to supplement to maintain our pot plants in terms of their health with drinking water from a tap in the backyard. Now on this side of the fence, the integrated water management landscape, the rainwater tank captures the rainwater off the roof, and that then supplements the plantings, and any overflow falls into the billabong, down the creek bed, and the plantings, which are just interspersed between the rocks, they actually retain moisture underneath, and the plants are able to use that to continue to sustain themselves. So it's a very functional design in that sense. The water is actually filtrating back into the groundwater table because there's lots of open space. There's no paved surfaces as such other than our rocks, and they're interspersed. But we've also got a lovely situation where if the billabong does become full, it will overflow down our creek bed. It will go through a biofiltration through plants, clean up the quality, and it will then go into a larger billabong. And from there, you can get, there's veggie gardens and there's community open space, and sustaining all of that in its own right. So it's a very sustainable scenario, all in the urban backyard. Now, in terms of the water industry, as a water industry member, South East Water has an interest in reproducing what we see here into community space. And the reason we have that interest is that there is an opportunity to take the excessive runoff that we have from stormwater and treat that and filter it to a quality that's then suitable for use in the home for toilet flushing and also laundry use. Stormwater is generally released to our waterways. Now, as an output, it flows through our waterways and into our bay. Now, if we capture it, we can then treat it in terms of quality, improve its quality, and protect our waterways, our biodiversity, improve the habitats for our native fish and flora and fauna. So there's a lot of benefits in that regard. So there's some of the reasons that we, as the water industry, might be looking to reproduce this type of treatment into community space. The community has another benefit in the sense that it's such a beautiful space, very tranquil, very attractive, and people can see the value. They can put a value on it. So not only does it add value in terms of putting it in your own backyard, but in terms of our community spaces, it will add tremendous value to those community spaces. So thank you. My name's Andrew Hagland from South East Water, and have a great day.